Tired of your Google Calendar looking like a chaotic mess? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your Google Calendar from drab to fat in just a few easy steps. First, let's tackle those default colors. Hover over the calendar you want to change in the left-hand sidebar and click the three dots. A color palette will pop up. Choose a color that speaks to you. You can even add a custom color if you're feeling extra creative now. Repeat this for each of your calendars. Next, let's adjust the density and view. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Under density and color, you can choose compact for a more condensed view or comfortable for more space. Experiment and see what works best for you. You can also change the default view of your calendar under view options. Now, for the fun part, personalizing your background. Unfortunately, Google Calendar doesn't allow direct background uploads. However, you can achieve a similar effect by using a browser extension that lets you inject custom CSS. There are many extensions to choose from. Just search for custom CSS in your browser's extension store. Remember to only install trusted extensions. Finally, let's talk color coding. Use different colors for different types of events. For example, red for deadlines, blue for meetings, and green for personal appointments. This will make it much easier to scan your calendar and understand your schedule at a glance. And that's it. By following these tips, you can create a Google Calendar that's not only functional, but also visually appealing and easy to use. Now go forth and customize. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.